Ever since I was a little girl, I dreamt about this day and who would be standing in front of me. Little did I know that the boy who threw glow sticks at me to try to flirt back in junior year would be the person who would become my husband today. On January 16th of 2017, you asked me to be your girlfriend, and on that day I become the luckiest girl in the world. From graduating high school, going through long distance, and graduating flight school and college, we have been able to grow together and help each other become the best versions of ourselves.
Arianna, the Lord has blessed me. What I've done to deserve you and your unconditional love, I do not know. What I do know is I will spend every moment until my last loving you.
3, 2, 1.
Wow.
You are kind, smart, loving, funny, supportive, and oh so patient, even in times that I don't think you should be, but that's okay. I never knew how much someone could truly love me for me until I met you. You never let a day go by without making me feel so loved, valued, and beautiful.
You are the center of my world and have been for nearly 7.5 years now. I know we often reflect on how we are so lucky we found each other so young. Watching you grow from the girl I met in high school to the beautiful woman you are now has been amazing. You've given me confidence, strength, and purpose, traits I don't think I would have without you. I can't imagine living a life without you. You are my forever, and I will cherish every moment growing old with you. Becoming your husband is one of the highest titles and honors I will ever have. I promise to never take it for granted. I promise, through good and bad times, to be by your side. I promise to support, provide, and protect you and our family. And when the time comes, I promise to be the best father because I know you're gonna be the best mother.
You're my best friend, my person, my soulmate, my safe place, and my everything. I promise to always be a shoulder for you to cry on. I promise to always make you laugh. I promise to always be myself. I promise to always push you to become better. And I promise to always remember how we felt today, young and in love. I also promise to find you in this lifetime and the next, because I swear the lifetime with you just is not enough. Spencer Douglas Johnson Harrell. I have loved you since I was 17. I love you today, and I will love you for all of our tomorrows.
Together we can conquer anything, and I'm so excited to start this next chapter together as husband and wife.
Cause we're going to the moon. I think it's time to take a ride. We're gonna travel across the Milky Way, unafraid in outer space, holding on to the good I feel today. There's no gravity now to hold us down. We'll buckle up, settle in, hold on tight now. Cause we're going to the moon. Nothing's gonna stop us now. My head's spinning, I feel like I'm winning now. There's no gravity now to hold flying on a rocket. Nothing's gonna stop us now. 'Cause we're going to the